Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share my quick everyday makeup routine that I do. Now, I'm no expert in makeup and I really just do the same thing every single day. And when I do go out, the only thing that I add to kind of spice up my makeup is add eyeliner on top. It really just depends on how much time I have. Most days it's like done in less than 5 minutes, or if I want more attention, I do take my time a little bit more, but it's really simple makeup, 5 minutes and you're done. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that your face is clean and moisturized. After I shower, I'll moisturize my face and then I prep my skin. So the first thing I add after moisturizing is Poreless by Tarte. It is a primer and I will tag everything below. Basically what this does, it helps your makeup stay on and makes it look flawless. So I'd add just a little bit. The next thing that I do is I add some type of foundation. So the one that I'm using right now, this is the Maybelline Dream BB Pure. I love this one. This one is in medium sheer tint. I love it because it gives me a little bit of coverage. As you can tell, I don't really have any pimples or anything to cover up. It just kind of evens my skin tone. So I add literally just some in my hands and then I rub it in. Make sure you rub in on the bottom. The reason I do this too is because I do add concealer underneath my eyes, and if I just add the concealer underneath my eyes, you can totally tell the color of the makeup of the concealer compared to my natural skin tone. So adding this BB cream just kind of makes the concealer camouflage and get into the skin more evenly, I guess. Okay, the next thing I do is add concealer. So I use the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. What I do is I kind of make a triangle underneath my eyes. So let me see. Kind of like a fan. Like that. Now after the way that I blend, I use the what is this, the magic blender, I forgot what it's called, I'll link it below. And what I do is I put it underneath warm water to make it very spongy and soft. And what it does, it really works really good for blending. You don't want to go like this too hard, you just kind of want to sponge it in there, if that makes sense. Now, because this one is thicker, it's a thicker concealer, what I like to do to make sure it doesn't crease is I like to add some type of finishing powder. So this is the one that I got a while ago. This is the NYX HD finishing powder. Really any finishing powder will do. I got this when it was super cheap at Target, and I'll see if they still sell it, but any finishing powder that will help set your makeup. I only put this right underneath my eyes because again, the concealer that I use is thicker. I just use, what is this, this is the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. So this is actually for your eyeshadow, but I use it for underneath my eyes, and you can tell kind of what kind of brush it is right there. You just want to add a little bit, so 1, 2, 3, and then always dab it so all the extra powder goes away, because you don't want to look so powderish too. So if you see me every single day, I wear makeup almost every day. Some days I don't. But it just helps me feel, you know, confident and kind of makes me look a lot more refreshed. But I don't overdo it. You can see my natural face a lot, but it just kind of enhances my beauty, I guess. And it makes you feel good, so why not? Okay, so after I set my eyes, what I do is I love a gray bronzer. So I am the #1 fan of the Hoola Benefit concealer, bronzer. This is a matte bronzer, so if you can tell, It is just a matte bronzer, and I love it because it's so natural. It works for so many different skin tones, and their brand, I mean, they have such amazing products, but this is the one that I've been using for years. And also, I have tried different types of brushes for contouring and for adding my bronzer. This is the Benefit brush, and I honestly don't know the name of it. They sell it at Benefit. I got this one years ago, and it's been so good to me. So I will just grab my Benefit brush, contour brush, dab it on the back of your hand, and then what I do is I just kind of go right here, right there, and then around, like, so basically like a rainbow, I guess. And then I will add it here on the bottom of my chin too. There you go. Now I like a little bit of color to my cheeks, so I will use the my favorite blush is the one by MAC, Ambering Rose. So if you can tell, it's a very beautiful pink rose color, and it has a little bit of shimmer to it, not too much. You want to be very light with this just because a lot will go, I mean, a little bit goes a long way. So I just grabbed my, and this is a super cheap just blush brush. And yeah, this is the one I have, so this is one I use. Add it to the apples of your cheeks. You can work it in. Now I tend to have a very heavy hand, so I try to be careful. Just a little bit. There you go. And I also love a great highlighter. Highlighters make you look radiant, glowy, but you also don't want to overdo it. The one that I use is by MAC, and this is the Soft and Gentle one. I love this one. My sister put me on this one years ago, and I've been a fan ever since. I use this every day. I don't have different kind of highlighters in different colors just because honestly, I'm not into makeup like that. Oh, and this is the Morph 310. I honestly don't know what this brush is for, but it's great for highlighter just because it's very feathery and very flat, if you can tell right there. So just a little bit, dab it. You don't want to overdo it. So I don't know if you can tell, like this cheek compared to this one, it has more of a glow. Add to this cheek. A little bit to your nose, the bridge of your nose. Okay, so the next thing I do is my eyebrows. So as you can tell, I mean, I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in forever, so please excuse my bushy eyebrows. But what I do is I have pretty full eyebrows. What I like to do is kind of set them. So what I do, and fill up any spots that are kind of bald. So what I do is I use the Anastasia brow pencil. This is in medium brown. And I just fill the spots that need a little bit of filling. So if you can tell right here, it's a little bit empty. Right there on this one. Up here it's lighter, and down here it's lighter. So I just like to fill those places. So after I fill my eyebrows, I like to use the Anastasia highlighter brow pencil. This is what it looks like. I will link everything below. I mean, I've had it forever and it lasts forever. And basically what it does, it just makes you, your eyebrows look a lot cleaner. So I add a little bit right there. So now that my eyebrows I highlighted and they're filled, I like to add a brow gel. This is the Anastasia brow gel, and you know, I'm almost out of this one, but am I gonna get it again? No, because actually the makeup artist at Sephora told me to not spend my money on brow gels, to just use a little bit of hairspray to set it, and it actually does work. So I will be doing that after I'm all out. So Okay, so after I'm done with that, I will curl my lashes and add some mascara. So this is I believe it's Shiseido brand curler. This is about $18 to $20, so more expensive than normal curlers, but it was supposed to be really good. I got it at Sephora. I will link it below. And then the mascara that I use, is a Maybelline The Falsies. This is a great mascara. The only thing is that I feel that after a while, you start getting like little pieces of the mascara on your eye after a long day. So that's the one thing that I don't like about it. My ultimate favorite mascara is the Maybelline, the yellow one. And I forgot the name of that one, but I was using that one forever. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one technique with mascara that I recently learned is that when you're doing it, you want to like blink up. So when you're doing it, when you're applying it, you need to blink so it can add the mascara onto the lashes. And also you can pull it up, so you can just pull the brush up. I don't know if that made sense. So blink, 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 blink. What blinking does, it ensures that your lashes are getting covered with the mascara. Now, if you have any mascara on your eyelids, what you can do is wait for it to dry, get a Q-tip and take off any of the remaining or any of the mascara that dried on the eyelids. When it's dry, it's a lot easier to take off than when it's wet. Okay, so when it comes to lips, you always want to make sure that your lips are clean, of course. I use a Agave Bite moisturizer. So this is amazing. So I got this because I love using a good lip liner as lipstick, or just setting it with lipstick after. But my issue was that my lips would always crack or they would dry out. So someone recommended this to me, Agave lip balm, and what it does is just like super hydrating. It costs about $18 to $20, so it is expensive, but it lasts a while and it's so good. Now my favorite color, this is the Kylie Jenner Brown Sugar. And you can tell my dog chewed the shit out of it. I hate him for that. But anyways, so yeah, this is my favorite color. And I set this one with the this is a Tarte Rum Punch. So I will add the Agave lip balm to moisturize my lips. Then I'll add the Kylie Jenner lip liner, Brown Sugar. Then I'll set it with the lipstick. Okay, and that is literally about it. All I do to finish it up is set my makeup. So sometimes I don't do this, I don't always do this, but I do notice that when I set my makeup afterwards, once I'm done with the spray, that it does last a lot longer. So this is the MAC Prep Prime. And what I do is I just sprinkle it over my face. So let it dry. And that is about it. It's very subtle, nothing crazy. Oh, something right there. So as you can tell, my makeup is done. It's very natural, subtle, not too crazy. It just kind of gives you that glow, makes you feel confident. And then today, I'm actually going to straighten my hair. So I'm straightening it because I think I posted in my last video, my straightener broke and I've been lagging on getting a new one, but I just got one. Over 31,000 reviews. This is the HSI Professional Straightener. I got it for $40, which I don't know, I'm kind of hesitant about it just because it sounds too good to be true for the price. So we will see how it is. I'm ready. My makeup's done. Hope you guys liked this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.